Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Kenny Lamons here with Medicare Millennials, and on our channel, we help train and recruit agents across the country to build a large, successful Medicare book of business, as well as how to sell life products to seniors. And today, I want to make a fast, quick, straight to the point video on how to get a life and health insurance license. Okay, so most people, in most cases, are going to go ahead and get a life and health license all in one. For example, in Texas, the general lines, life, health, accident, and HMO, that's all just one license, okay? And it's very simple to just get it all in one go, your life and health included. And usually, no matter what product line you want to sell, if you want to be a life insurance agent only, you want to sell annuity products, Medicare products, maybe you want to sell like under 65 health insurance, it's going to require a life and health license, and those products can be complementary, so you're going to want to have both lines, okay? I'm not going to do a deep dive into this. I just want to hit the major highlights. So you're interested in getting into this field. Maybe you don't know what organization you're going to partner with. You don't know exactly what products you want to sell, but you know you want to get into the life and health space. Here's 4 steps on how you can do that. Step 1, do a pre-licensing exam, okay? And I do this through ExamFX.com. ExamFX.com. They're going to have an insurance products portfolio, and you'll just do the pre-licensing exam. They have several options. The cheapest is $150 for a self-study, guided self-study program. You'll go through all of the modules that are going to be relevant to your state's exam. You'll take a practice test at the end of those modules, and then you'll be prepared to go take your exam. They also have additional options that are more expensive if you want live coaching, or if you want video tutorials, or if you want flashcards, etc. For most people, myself included, just that self-guided study was more than enough. I believe you had 60 days to complete the program on your own time at your own pace. It shouldn't take you that long. If you really put some time into it, it can be done in a week or so that you're ready to go take your exam. So that's step 1. Step 2 is to actually go to your individual state's insurance website. So for example, in Texas, it's the TDI, Texas Department of Insurance website. And it will show you, now that you've done your pre-licensing exam, who they use, what third party they use to administer the official exam. A lot of times that's going to be Pearson VUE, okay? And so ever since everything that happened with COVID, there's even some options to have that an online state official exam where you don't necessarily have to go in person. That may not be the case for everywhere. That's why we're going to go to our State Department website to see who administers their exam. Then that will give you all the information you need to sign up for either an in-person or an online proctored exam for your life and health license, okay? You're also going to have to get fingerprinting done. So your fingerprinting information will be right there on that website, on the state insurance website as well. They're going to use somebody like Identigo or some third party that does fingerprinting. You're going to have to go into a physical location somewhere, get your fingerprinting done. You'll receive paperwork that verifies your fingerprinting. Now, you've done your pre-licensing, you've signed up for an exam, you have signed up to do your fingerprinting. You're going to go take your exam, you'll get the results usually instantly. You'll get your fingerprint paperwork, and then most states will let you, now that you have all of that information, step 4 is to actually apply for the license. You'll pay whatever fee. It can be $50 in some states, $200+ in other states. You take all of that information from your fingerprinting and your exam results, and you send that to your State Department of Insurance for processing. At that point, it can be as fast as a couple of weeks, or if your state's busy with some type of influx of license processing. For example, here in Texas, when we had that hurricane in Houston, there were 1 million people trying to get licensed to go work down there, and it was taking 8 weeks to get a license back, okay? But if you have a pretty clean background, then they're going to have all that information, process your background check, and issue your license anywhere from, let's just say, 2 to 6 weeks. You are now life and health insurance licensed. You're going to need that license for whatever opportunity you partake in, but if you get that done now, kind of while you're kicking the tires, you're doing your research and you're planning for exactly what you're going to do in this space, you're going to be better off. So step 1, pre-licensing, go through ExamFX. Step 2, sign up for an exam. Step 3, sign up for fingerprinting. The information for that can be found on your state's individual insurance, Department of Insurance website. Step 4 is to actually take all of that, send it in for processing to receive your license. Hope this was helpful. Y'all have a great day.